Wow, looks fun! Looking after the babies? Looks tiring. Whoa, looks like something's up. Looks like Massimo had an accident at the tire shop. Oh no! Careful!
What? Hey! Huh?
Something has got to be done! Don't worry, Super Truck is here to help. Nice! Looks tricky. Maybe a transformation is in order. A bulldozer? Awesome! Nice! Uh-oh. Looks like you missed one. Oh no! Do something! The grapple! Awesome! You'll have to try again. Nice! Uh-oh! Phew! Oh, red! Blue! Yellow! Looks like Massimo got some new tires. What do you think, babies? Wow! You have pink and green tires! That's epic!
Hey guys! Oh, you're celebrating St. Patrick's Day? You're teaching them traditional Irish dance? That is so cool! Oh? You better hurry, Carl! Ben and Gary have been commissioned by Carrie to bring her a pot of gold and cardboard rainbow to decorate her restaurant. She's organizing a St. Patrick's tea party. But on their way to Carrie's restaurant... You'd better help them. Uh-oh! Do you think our friend caused that traffic jam? What will you do? That's your idea, Face. A super train! Let's go now! You're so fast! What is going on, Super Truck? Oh no! Carl! Phew, that was close. Where are you all going? Oh, great! But for now, Super Truck has an emergency. Thank you, guys. See you at Carrie's. What a mess! Guys, are you okay? Super Truck, you need to do something! A magnet! That's smart! Watch out, guys! That was close! Oh? You'd better hurry, guys. Carrie must be waiting for you.
Nemo, no!
You should go to Carrie's restaurant, too. Hey, Carrie! Looks like an amazing party! That's a nice way to thank Super Truck, guys!
Hi, Super Truck. I see you got some candy there. Frank was feeling sick yesterday. Are those to cheer him up? You're such a good friend, Super Truck. Hey. Hey, what was that noise? Meh, it was probably nothing. Oh, are you all right, Super Truck? Oh no, Super Truck, the candy bag is gone. What could have happened?
You're
Look, Super Truck! Crocomile has the candy! Oh no! He's going to escape with Frank's candy! Great idea, Super Truck! As a police car, there's no chance Crocomile will escape. Go, Super Truck, go! You almost got him! Oh no! Crocomile is getting away! Watch out! There's smoke bombs! Be careful, Super Truck! Wow, that was close! Uh-oh! Are you okay, Super Truck? Oh no! Crocomile ran away! Where could he be? Did you find something, Super Truck? Look, it's a trail of candy wrappers. It's from one of the candies that Crocomile stole. I'm sure that you'll find Crocomile at the end of this trail. Look, Super Truck, Matilda is here. Matilda, have you seen Crocomile? He stole some candy from Super Truck. Oh, you saw him go into the park. Will you help Super Truck to stop him? Thanks, Matilda. Great idea, Super Truck. If each of you go on one road, Crocomile won't be able to escape. This is over, Crocomile. Hand back the candy. Oh no, he's trying to escape again. You have to stop him, Super Truck. Good job, Super Truck. Don't even try, Crocomile. You can't escape. I think it's time to take these candies to Frank. Matilda, can you make sure that Crocomile learns his lesson? Hey, Frank, it looks like you're feeling better. Having some candy with your friends always helps. Hey, Crocomile, I think you missed some candy wrappers right there.
Oh no, there is a fire at the construction site. Wow, the rescue squad is here. Hurry up, guys. Billy, Edna, are you okay? Don't worry, guys. Rescue is coming. Oh no, the accident is causing a traffic jam. How are you going to reach the construction site? Matilda knows how to clear the way. What a mess. Time to transform and help Matilda. Rescue squad, let's split the tasks. Frank, Dane is still inside the construction site. You need to save him. Amber, make sure that Billy and Edna are fine. Police officers, the traffic needs to be organized. Let's do it. Good work! Keep it up, guys! Oh no! Edna and Billy are too heavy for Amber. Can you help Amber? Steady, ready, go! Great job! Let's put Billy back too. Billy and Edna need medical attention. Amber, do you know how to help them? Great! Billy and Edna feel much better now. Look, Frank helped Dane to get out, but he got stuck in the middle of the fire. There's Frank. Frank can't deal alone with the huge fire. Watch out! Oh, that was close. Let's join the effort and get out safely. Amazing, guys! The fire is too big to be extinguished by only you two. But it looks like you have some help. Everybody is ready to stop the fire. Time to fight the fire! Great teamwork, guys. Oh no, it seems there is another emergency in Car City. Come on, guys. Working as a team, there is nothing that can stop you. What an exciting place. These guys look a bit spooky. Perhaps it's time to go now? Oh no! The dinosaurs have come to life! Careful! You better get out of here! Help! The dinos are storming the city! They're causing chaos everywhere! Super Truck, you better transform quickly! Police car to the rescue! Look over here, Dino! Watch out! You have to get them out of the city. Quick, Super Truck! It's getting dizzy. You did it! 2 more dinos to go. Frank, we need your help. Great job! Careful, Frank. Maybe that will make it leave. Oh no, it's not working. You have to stop it. What will you do? Great thinking, Frank. 1 more dino to go. Stop it, Dino. Watch out, Frank! Oh no, Frank, are you okay? Super Truck, help! Time to leave, Dino. Oh no, what will you do now? Yes, let's use the ST-3000. The hi-fi machine will show you. And go! You need more power, Super Truck. Go home, Dino. It works! Keep going. It's leaving. Let's get them out of the city. Goodbye, dinos. Thank you, rescue team. You have saved the city.